Hi Sachin, it gives me great pleasure to know that you're starting yet another milestone in your career, having accomplished a tremendous lot in the past 20 years. Your dedication, sincerity, passion, selflessness has taken you where you are, and ably supported by Shreya. I think the whole world is a better place because of people like you.
Hi Sachin. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for completing 20 years in the field of ocularistry. And also, I would like to congratulate the whole team of Art Eyes for celebrating 16 years of success. I would like to thank you for taking care of my patients, and your work has been exceptional. You have changed lives of many people.
Dear Sachin, many congratulations on reaching this milestone. Having seen you grow from your early days to now getting to know that you completed 20 years.
Congratulations, Sachin, for completing 20 years in ocularistry. It's been a long journey, and I remember when we started together. I am impressed with your sincerity, your constant search for perfection, and your grit. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for all the support that you have provided for my oculoplasty practice.
I've known Mr. Sachin Gupta for over 2 decades. He's a very thorough and meticulous worker as an oculoplastics ocularist. He deals with people who have lost a vital organ, and therefore his being an empathetic and a very thorough gentleman, very good communicator helps a lot. He's an excellent person who does a very thorough job of ocularistry. He's up to date with his knowledge. He has gained the best techniques in the world and makes sure that he delivers the best to the patient. It is these qualities which make him both an excellent clinical worker as well as a human being. I wish him all the best on this occasion.
A big thank you to Sachin and his team for all the good work he does, his innovative nature, his quest for perfection, and I wish the Art Eyes team, especially Ms. Shreya also, who's an excellent support system for him.
Hi Sachin, surprise. When I first met Sachin in LV Prasad, he was this very cocky, self-assured boy who used to sort of strut around the place as if he knew everything, which he did. So his work was amazing, but somehow our friendship started because Sachin and I used to always spar with each other. We used to keep arguing and fighting, not because we didn't see eye to eye, but because we both were perfectionists and we both wanted to do the best at our work. Sachin, you've come such a long way. 20 years is literally a milestone, and 16 years for Perfect Eyes. Amazing. If anybody had the tenacity to put in the hard work, to have the vision to do this, I'm very, very sure it had to be you. Because I think back then also we knew that, you were going to make it and you're going to be super successful.
I've been knowing Sachin for almost more than 15 years when I was a resident at RP Center, and he has always been so kind, humble, sincere, and I'm not amazed the way Art Eye has progressed and achieved so much height today. It's all because of your dedication, compassion, and the way you have touched lives of so many patients. I'm really amazed to see your work and sincerity. Something to learn from.
Dear Sachin, congratulations on completing 20 remarkable years in ocularistry and on the 16th anniversary of Art Eyes. It has been a privilege to know you, to work with you over so many years. I have seen you embody each and every one of these values. Since joining us in 2019 as a visiting faculty at LV Prasad Eye Institute, I think you've made a lasting contribution beyond patient care. This impact will go more than the 15,800 patients that you've served, and each prosthesis represents a patient and a person who has regained confidence because of the efforts that you and Shreya have put into Art Eyes and the field of ocularistry.
Congratulations on you completing 20 years in this field, and congratulations on Art Eyes completing 16 years. We've been associated with each other for a long time, since I was working in RP Center many years back, and we continued with this association even after I came to Manipur. And I'm so glad we did so, because all the patients that I've sent to you have come back very, very satisfied. So looking forward to more associations with you.
Hello, Sachin. Congratulations on 20 years of working in this wonderful industry. I remember a young man who came to visit me in Perth here many years ago. Young, fresh, enthusiastic, and I remember giving you some advice saying that, look, as soon as you can, try to train some people to do the work, the laboratory work and other parts of the job, so that you can focus on seeing the patients. You've exceeded this by going on and working with the Art Eyes support group and setting up Society of the Indian Ocularists. I can tell you that the quality of the work that I've seen coming out of India has improved remarkably over the last 20 years, and a big part of that's due to the commitment that you've shared with the other ocularists in India and with your patients.
Congratulations, Sachin. 20 years is a fantastic milestone to reach in the ocularist journey. It's been lovely to be here from the beginning of your journey when you came to Perth, and you were such a quiet, shy little man, and you've really taken the world by storm. Just really impressed by all the work you put in, especially to the association in India. And all the work with your patients there. It's always really inspiring to see you put things up on Facebook, and you're really doing some beautiful work, and obviously make people very happy. So it's an absolute joy. Congratulations, and here's to the next 20 years. Catch you soon. Bye.
Dear friend, 14 years ago, our best crossed here in Russia during a business trip. At that time, I couldn't have imagined how important and meaningful the meeting would be for me. Well, you impressed me by your professionalism, your kindness, your respect for people. Amazing. I know throughout your career, you didn't just give help your patients. You gave them confidence, dignity, and hope for their future. And now, as you close this chapter of your life,
hello, Master. Greetings from sunny Finland. Now it's time to celebrate and enjoy. I hope all the best to you and your family. Hope to see you soon. Ciao.
Happy 20th anniversary, Sachin. Yes. Congratulations to a wonderful milestone. Wishing you a success and many more years of excellence ahead.
Yes, Sachin. We love you very much. I met our meeting Canada and Germany and Great Britain and Chelyabinsk and Moscow. We are lucky.
Hi Sachin, congratulations on completing 20 years of dedicated practice in ocularistry. Wishing you continued a successful and many more years of excellence in this field. Welcome on board.
Dear Sachin, hearty congratulations on this wonderful milestone of completing your 20 years in the field of ocularistry and 16 years since you and Shreya have started Art Eyes. You have always amazed us with your wonderful work, and I have always admired you for the way you share your knowledge, work with your colleagues, and encourage the younger ocularists as well.
Wish you a great career ahead, good health and good cheers. My best wishes and support for you always. Do more good work. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And I wish you a successful future ahead and the whole team of Art Eye. Thank you.
I wish you all the best and many more milestones in future and a lot of happiness in times to come. Keep doing what you're doing and already one of the best in the country at what you do. May you grow further. May you grow happier. May you grow richer. Bye.
I wish you all the best. Do well. Thanks to Shreya also for all the support. None of this would have been possible without her support. And I wish you, all of you, very best in future. Thank you.
All the very best for the next 50 years and hope you all do really well, and thank you for being so friendly and such good supporters of us as well.
Congratulations to you and Shreya on this milestone. I'm sure it's an effort together always, both husband and wife. And here's looking at you doing many, many more innovative and new things. Keep rocking.
And I really congratulate you both on this special day. My best wishes.
I wish you continued success and all the very best. And thank you once again for the friendship, for the mentorship for people at LV Prasad Eye Institute, and for everything that you do. May you have many more years of successful and fulfilling journey at Art Eyes and with us. Thank you.
Wishing you all the best for your future endeavors and congratulations once again.
It's been wonderful to see you at various conferences and following your progress over the last 20 years. And I just want to say congratulations, and hopefully you have many more years of working in this wonderful industry. Thank you.
I wish you to be happy in the future, to be happy and to be absolutely satisfied with everything that you have done. And I hope on the wonderful journey will wait for you in the future.
Thank you, Sachin, for all your kind guidance and support. We really, really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you. Congratulations again.
Yay.
Bye.
Bye.
For the 2 decades milestone club. Thank you. Wish you congratulations again.
Wishing you more success and all the very best. I have always admired your work, and true to its name, you always give lifelike eyes. Once again, hearty congratulations, and the feather on your cap is Shreya is with you, so that's a bonus for you, and may you have many, many more such years and many more patients to get your service. Have a great day.